happy. You want to make something like this? Let's get started. Hi guys, welcome to Aurora Sparkly World. And today we are going to do a snow globe. And I wanted to make so much snow. We are doing a Halloween snow globe of Plants vs. Zombies. So we have 4 of them. So I want to choose them. So we just need Lego, miniature Lego, zombies versus plants. And we have some little ball, casing and some 2 glues. Very, very strong glue. F60,000. 6,000 of F dot 60,000. And this normal glue, some clear glue. We have some orange glitter and another orange glitter and some green ones. That's 4 all glitters, green and another green. This was the lighter green. And we also have these. I actually don't know what it is, but I don't know yet. And we also have this small tiny lantern for some decorations. And we also have this head. It's like a zombie head. Skull head. Now let's get started. Should I use this one? Or this one? Or the ones? Or this one? I'm going to choose this one and this one. The same. So, we are just going to open them. Do you have to open them? Okay. Now we are done on this one. We're going to put this one here. So we're going to glue everything on top here. So we're going to put the base and we're going to put it on top here. At the middle. Ask the doctor to help you because this is a very, very strong glue. It can actually get you like. Okay. Now we're going to put some glue at the bottom. That's a lot. Now just leave it aside to dry. Now we are going to do another one. Now we are going to do this one. The next Lego version. There we go. The mentor. Mama, can you help me with this one again? Wait. If that's an easier one. Now we are done with the zombie and the plant. Okay, now we're going to do the same thing. Okay, and we need this one. Do I have to do it myself? I'm scared. So my mommy is putting some strong glue, 6,000. Ask your mommy or daddy or your big brother or big sister. Put the base and then we do like this. So the zombie have a level, a level higher. So now we are done with this zombie. We're going to put at the side and we are going to leave it dry and tomorrow we will still continue. Bye bye guys, see you tomorrow. Hi guys, we are back. Now the zombies are dry. Now this is the best part. Put glitter and then we are going to put what is it? And we also have some decoration to put on top. And it's like an old head. Also can make some lights. Don't see? You have to watch closely so you can see. I'm going to just put my hair back. You see? And this one actually have lights and the same, but it's already gone, so cannot switch on. And we also can put some glitter. So now my mom's going to get some water. Wow. And see, it's already dry. See, cannot even come out. So that's why we use that strong glue. Now we're going to put some clear glue inside these two of the water because you want the glitters to go down slowly like a real one. So we need to put some of clear glue, but not hot, clear. Okay, like that. Put some more. Oh, they are all coming down, but some are going up. Do you have to? Is that much? Need to fill up. Fill up everything. This way some parts. Into the bottom. Until here. Now we're going to mix it. Ooh. Mix it slowly. You can use like a spoon or a stick. I'm mixing it slowly with a colorful stick. I think is that done? Okay, is that done? So first we are going to do this one. Did we do this one first? I want to put some glitter first. Okay, so I'm going to put the same color as the zombie's color. Green, some black, red, and green, and some blue and brown. We do have brown glitters. Like that. Ooh, that's too much. Do you have to mix it up too? Okay, I'm going to put all the greens. Next time we put some other green. I'm going to put this green. Hello. That's my little brother. Okay, that's enough. Put this green. I'm going to put all the greens. Can I have a spoon? Ooh, that's too much. Be generous or the glitter is okay. You can put much if you want, or you want to put one glitter, you can put one glitter. Is that brown? Where's the brown? This one. This is the brown? Okay. That's all I want. Okay, now with this, some red. I want to put some purple. Everything. So small. Ooh, that's too much. Of course. Mix it out. Can I put some purple? Okay. Can I also put some orange to match this? Can I put some? I'm just going to do it like that. Okay, that's enough black. I'm going to mix it up. I think I just put much. I think I just put too much glitter inside. Ooh, I just put too much, I think. Got to put some more glue. After I put too much glitter. So now I'm going to put the figurine inside, like this. Just twist it also. I like it. Just going to put like this. Wait, I want to put it properly. Now done. Is it properly? Is it straight? I'm not sure. Ew, I have a long glitter. It's a little bit too fast on this one. I put a little bit too much, but I think it works. There we go, my first glue. Now I'm going to make my second one. Here's the second one. We use some peach, blue, and white, and gray, and red, and like that's all. I think I'm going to put the screen first. Oof. Take everything. Okay, now this green. Now I'm going to put this blue. Shoot. Okay, now I think I'm going to put orange. Okay, now we are going to mix it. We're going to put glue first. The glitter, haha. But later the blue can come there. This is a lot of gray. I put too much gray, I guess. Ooh, it looks nice like this, but on top, yeah. Then we put some more color at the top. I just love gold, okay? Ooh, this one can. So this one we need a spoon. That much. Done. There's like chunks. The chunks are just bothering me, okay? I'll put some more glue. I think I'm done. Now we are done. Now we are going to put the figure inside. Nice. Now we are done, and now we are going to decorate. I think I want this one because there's orange, and I also want. I think I want this one to be on this one, and like that. I'm going to put the man broom around this, and orange, white, black, white. Okay. But you hold it for me, okay? I'm not good at this. Okay. Now we are done. Now we are going to put the decorate outside on the top. I will just put it right here. Spin around. Okay, now we're going to do the next one, but can we do like this? Okay, so we're going to use this black and white bouquet. I just call it bouquet. Mary Boo. Okay, now we twist it around, mommy. Everything's gonna be alright. Let me do it. We need some hot dog. Now we are done. Now we are going to put this. Let's do it. Let me do it. I will just do it, okay? Now we are done, guys. Let me put some of this decoration. I'm going to just place the grass, okay? Done. Okay. Done. That looks nice. And a tight one. Can you put a tight one on the top? Then. And that's all we also need for the side. We also need the side. The side will have. I think I want to put the side like that. And then other side also. We are going to put some petals and stones. I already have one out. There you go, guys. This is my snow globe. Halloween task. Subscribe my channel, guys. Put a thumbs up if you like this, but it's going to be a little bit long. So, and happy Halloween task. I will see you next time.